Okay, so we are going to look at the problem that makes you do a double dilution. So let me get it pulled back up because I suddenly can't see it. All right, so it's giving us a hydrochloric acid solution. All right, and it says that the solution that we're dealing with is, all right, we've got a hydrochloric acid solution, and we've got 25 milliliters, all right, and that is at 3 molar, all right? And then it's saying that we're going to dilute it to 100 milliliters, all right? So we're going to dilute this to 100 milliliters as my new volume. So since this is a dilution equation, we know that we're going to use M1V1 equals M2V2 as our guiding equation to do a dilution. So my starting molarity then is 3. All right, I'm just going to plug it into the problem. So it's 3 molar. All right, so there's my M1. My starting volume is 25 mils. I'm going to set that equal to, well, we don't know what the ending molarity is going to be yet, but we do know that the final volume is going to be 100 milliliters. And now we're able to do a solution here. So if I take, don't have my pretty calculator, but all right, so let's go 3 times 25 is going to be 75. All right, so we're going to get 75 here equals 100x. All right, divide both sides by 100, and we're going to get an x of 0.75 molar. So that's just the first step, though, in regards to it finding an initial dilution. It then says, well, we're going to take this new sample, all right, this new diluted sample, and I'm reading, it says 10 mils of this solution is then diluted a second time to 100 milliliters, all right? So we're going to take 10 milliliters of this solution and dilute it another 100 mils. All right, well, check it out. It's still M1V1 equals M2V2, but now my starting molarity is 0.75. My starting volume is 10 mils. My ending molarity is what the problem wants as a final answer. And my ending volume here, we're adding 100 mils to it. And again, we go through the algebra to solve. And I get 0.0750 molar.